Coming from all the way down that gully there. Yeah. Walk one, Val.
I am the one.
Yes, my viewers, Volcan.
Yeah.
Go on again, me hear you. Woo! So, look on this one, my viewers. Yeah, the yam have to run like this. The vine have to run all the way up there. As you can see right up at the top. This is a plant. They call it the money plant, but we call it lilacs. Last week we plant these pumpkin here. Yeah, peas, red peas. Red peas. We're going at the rice and peas.
Jamaican farmers hot.
Jamaican farmers. Hey.
Ready, we ready and a gone, we gone. We a plant pumpkin and we a plant some corn. Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out.
Viewers, my subscribers, do you remember about 2 weeks back I upload a video with Val? We plant some corn, we plant some pumpkin, yes, etc, etc. I'm going back on the farm now to see how the corn is doing and the okra, you know what I mean? So my viewers and my subscribers, if you're new here, my name is Ever Slick. Don't forget to like, share and to subscribe to the channel Jamaican Farmers Hut. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Yeah, my viewers. Yeah, man, he never knows me to come for the plantation this man, you know. Catch him for the plantation, man. Coming from all the way down that gully there. Yeah. Walk one, Val.
I am the one.
You put on the fat, man. You know, come on, bush and put on the fat to the virgin.
Yeah, so.
Yes, I. So can them bust up yet?
Yeah, man.
I'm what you say. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
The lion them, you burn out the was?
Yeah, man.
Okay, my viewers.
Yeah, man.
Yes, Val.
Not so you can then.
I don't mean, man.
Come on. You papa the akmok na. You papa see them. So come, see good there.
You hear that, my viewers, the property they come up. Property they come up, my viewers. Yeah, man. Yes. Yes, my viewers. Yes, my viewers. Volcan. Yes, my viewers. Volcan. This is the corn we plant about 2 weeks ago. Yeah. Yes, my viewers. Yes, my viewers. Yeah, man. More corn. So how you feel about that, Val? How you feel about that? You see the corn in my grow up?
It's nice, man.
It's nice.
Yeah, man.
I mean, so what you have in your hand? You made?
Yeah, man.
Oh, so you cut it before plant it?
Yeah.
Alright. What you mean, man? So everything they grow up on the farm?
Yeah, man.
What you mean, my viewers? Yeah, man. About 2 weeks back, I come up here and I help Val bring some plant seeds to come give me, you know? Yeah. So, see my show me a yam here. Started to sprout. See? Yeah, man, I come for the plantation, my mind say, give you a check me here, you make nice up here, you know? Oh. Yes, my viewers. Corn. Yeah. What you mean, man? The yam them are sprout. You see the yam them, my viewers? Yes, I. Yes, I. Yes, I. Pack my yam them ready. And corn come up.
Yeah, man.
So I say, I feel good about that, man.
Yeah, man.
I mean, man. So you plant out some yam now?
No plant either.
Oh, you plant? Which way you plant it?
Like now.
Oh. Yeah, man, go and do your thing, man. I mean, viewers. There in a farm with Val, you know. Yeah, man, you plant some yam, you know. But we watch a corn, I grow up same time. Yeah?
Can't do yanti, man.
Eh?
Can't do yanti.
Oh, cut down yam tick for you.
Yeah, man.
But me couldn't cut them right now, because I want the mission. I drive, you know.
Oh.
Want to mission depend. But no worry yourself, we go plan one day and come up here, come cut some tick sometime next week.
Yeah.
Come cut some tick for you. See?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, and jam out some of the yam them. Because we can see some of the yam them not have no stick. Yeah, man. Don't worry yourself, man. Me come check you sometime next week. We come up here, cut some tick, and drum some of these yam here. Yes, my viewers, the boss have a whole per yam. Some don't have no stick, some have stick. So, you don't know him need a little help. So, we there to help him out. Yeah, man. For real, my viewers. We know we have the hills and the valleys nearby, so we can go and cut some yam stick, you know? Yeah. Although him have some there, but, you know, he need more. So, we're going to come next week and give him a next hand to cut some stick. Plant out the plantation. Yes, my viewers, we're there upon VAL plantation. Seeing? Seeing. Yeah, man, and we get a little rainfall lately. Yeah, man, we get a nice little rainfall. Up to since a while, we get some water. Yeah, man, we get some rainfall since a while, as you can see, viewers. Yeah, plantation, beautiful. Yeah, just some of the yam them need stick. Yeah, as you can see here, all of them one here have stick. Yeah, so he needs some stick for these one, some of these here. So we're going to give him a hand on that. You know, make sure him have stick. Okay. Alright, now worry yourself, man. We go plan and cut some tick, yeah?
Yeah, man.
You see, the whole of the property I grow up.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. The whole of the property I grow up. Oh, yeah, tire. What they going around there? What you mean, man? I mean, said, yeah, ready to go up on the stick.
Yeah.
Yeah. Real Val.
Are you then?
Mm-hmm.
Are you there?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yes, my viewers.
No, yeah.
Alright, look on this one now, my viewers. Started to go up on the stick. Yeah?
Are you? Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Are you going down the thing?
Yes, man. Yes, my viewers.
Yes, sir. I don't think, you know.
Yeah.
Are you going there?
Nice, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, are you burn this up?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What do you mean, man?
Nice.
Yes, Val.
Yes, sir.
Plantation get prettier and prettier.
Yeah, man.
Next week you go get prettier and I can't them go grow up taller and yam them go grow up taller.
You know, man.
Yeah, so by next week you have to come and get some stick.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Put in back inside
Yeah, man.
at the place. So me hear you make a little sound a while ago. How the sound go again? Give me sound, man. Let me hear the sound of the song. Me hear the sound. Woo! I say you say.
Yeah.
Go on again, me hear you. Woo! So when you're in the ears and you hear somebody else make two sound.
Yeah.
I mean, man, and then give back a signal.
Yeah, man.
I mean, for real, man. Yes, my viewers. Yes, my viewers. We're there upon the plantation. Yam them pretty. Yeah, look on this one. Look on this one, my viewers. Yeah, the yam have to run like this. The vine have to run all the way up there. As you can see right up at the top. Yeah, before it can bear. If it don't go up on the stick, it's not going to bear. Yes, my viewers. Plantation pretty.
You mean, man?
Yes, I.
And you pan them pumpy port.
Eh? You pump it pop, yeah?
You pan them port.
Oh, sprout.
You pan them port.
Go show me some sprout there, my people.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, my people. Val alone plant them sprout here, you know? Alright. Yes, man. Yes, Val.
Yes, yeah. Come out. Yes, it will come out.
Yeah, man, they soon come out, man. Look more rainfall and everything come out.
Yeah, man.
I mean, man, you're going to go on good, Val.
Yeah, man.
Soon come cut some stick. Because all of them here need stick here, so.
Come up to you, them boy.
You show me something. Alright, and viewers in me come and show you my thing, boy. So I go with him. Yeah, man. Yeah. Everything about some.
Yes, auntie, yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Auntie Tomo, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Auntie Yatin.
Yeah.
Tite.
Yeah, man.
Auntie Tomo po ya.
Alright. No more port this, so.
Yeah.
See our next nice one, yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, me viewers.
Yata.
Yeah, tire.
Yatuti po tano panty.
Hmm?
Yatuti po tano panty.
Okay. Soon see more gone up and stick.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Auntie mo ya.
Yeah, me viewers. Okay. Say big.
Poor phone.
Powerful.
Tomo ya to.
Yeah, but you look like you lately make them this one here, man. You lately make them here.
Yeah, man.
Okay, and this one too. Oh. Yeah, me viewers say they try to go up further.
Yeah, man.
Okay. Well, as you can see, me viewers, he would burn down the hillside to go further up to plant more. Yeah, so when this dry now, he's gonna burn this to get the space to plant more. Yeah, man. Hard working man, you know? Yes, I. Go so Val, you have whole pa yam. What you do with yam this year, Val? You know, have to go sell some yam this year to chuck, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Have to sell some yam to chuck to make a money.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, for real, man. Yeah, whole pa yam. Okay, my viewers, this is a plant. This is a plant. They call it the money plant, but we call it Wilax. Yeah, don't know the real name, but we call it Wilax. Yeah, it is good for make tea. It thin out your blood, you know. If your blood is too thick, it thin your blood. Wilax. Yeah, it's very good for hypertension. Yeah, Wilax. Yeah, man, property look nice. Yeah, man, the property come up, brother. Yeah, just want some stick, you know. Stick it out. Yeah, yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah, that soon come up, man. Look more rainfall.
Yeah.
On it out.
Yeah.
Alright, Val.
Auntie pumpkin are you buying?
The pumpkin? How about you say me plant pumpkin to the viewers? Show us a man to plant. Because last week we planted, so look you know.
You don't tie me pond no. You don't tie in there.
Oh. It's sorry, that's my sorry list.
Yeah.
Okay.
You don't tie me pond there.
Oh, I see some of the hooker. Wow, see hooker here, man. And some of the hooker them here we plant last week, man. Yeah. What? This is sorrel. Cause this show the red part on it.
Yeah.
This is sorrel, my viewers. We planted some sorrel last week too, man. Wow. And what's the chocho now? You remember last week? You remember when Val planted chocho? Right. This is the chocho. This is one. Alright. And this is the next one.
Aye, tita in there. I put there.
Oh, sorrel.
Yeah.
See sorrel here. Sorrel lot. Sorrel lot. Yes, my viewers, and I plant some okra and pumpkin up here. All up here is sorrel. Sorrel all the way up here. I plant some pumpkin over here, my viewers. Look on the pumpkin there, my viewers. Because when you plant pumpkin at this location here, where there is stone and burn dirt, yeah, it bear more. So that is the reason why I plant it up here. Look, it's much cooler here. Yes, my viewers. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, my viewers. Last week we planted these pumpkin here. Yeah. Alright, Val, let's don't have a whole for pumpkin, you know.
Yeah.
Watch that. Watch it, my viewers. Right on the burn spot here. Yeah, it's gonna bear. Just give it a month and you will see what's going on. Pumpkin. Yeah. On the plantation. Val plantation. Pumpkin. Yeah. So Val, you see the ashes here?
Yeah.
You see if you plant anything and insect can eat it,
Yeah.
you just take up some of the ashes and chew upon it.
Yeah, well.
Yeah, no insect can walk upon it.
Aye.
Yeah, man. So yes, my viewers, we don't use chemical. Yeah, this is the organic way. Okay?
Yeah.
And you need to plant something right in here.
Yeah, man. Entire thing don't want it.
Eh?
Entire thing don't want it.
Oh, when we give you some more things, you can plant it there.
Yeah.
If you could have get a planting tree, planting sucker,
Yeah.
it would have good for plant right in the middle here, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Planting sucker. Try get one planting sucker. Most of me get one still. But you need a plant sucker for plant right here. Make sure you're planting.
Yeah.
All right? So,
I'm planting don't plant.
okay, all right. Me go get a planting sucker to
Yeah.
plant right in there, so.
Yeah.
Because the plant sucker, them like the burning and the ashes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right. Right. So I'm going to get a plant sucker to plant right there.
Yeah.
Yes, me viewers.
Why you plant? I don't want nice.
The property look nice.
Yeah.
I don't mean, man. Real.
You back to one.
Real, man. My viewers, you might hear a little popping. I'm eating cane, sugar cane, all right?
Why?
Hmm? Yes, man. I will stick there already and I want hold it more.
Yeah, man.
So we have to go in at the hills, go cut some stick. So yes, man, all over the year, so now sorrel, you know.
I'll be tired.
Yeah, man, so you have sorrel for drink early this year. You know what I mean, man? Oh, a tree chocho. See one here. See the next one here.
Auntie, I'm what over
Yeah, I feel them. See the three of them.
Yeah, man.
Yes, my viewers, man, we plant them seed there 2 weeks ago. Yeah, man. And Val is smiling. Alright, Val, you need some bigger yam for this one, man. Them one here small.
Ah, nice.
But them still can be here, you know, but them small, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
I didn't been do it. I didn't then.
Fin for yam?
Didn't been do yam.
Oh.
I makayam. Yeah. Well, no bit on Yannick night.
Yeah, get some bigger one.
Yeah.
How? Yes, my viewers. As you can see, you might plant more yam. Yeah. Can still jam them around it. Yeah.
Yeah, boy, can go on to.
Can go more down so boy.
Boy.
Yeah, man.
It's done.
Yeah. Real.
You eat mata.
You got some man. You got some man, you know what I mean, man? Show them how to plant yam, you know? Yeah, man.
You know,
Yeah.
they eat and then that come out when you have to feed them kick. It will not eat.
True, man.
Yeah, man. But then I told you, come on.
Yeah, they must come out too.
Yes, and then they told come on.
Yeah.
You attend to come on.
Yeah, man, what of them? You just want a little more rainfall, you know? All good.
And so, let me tell you, I came tonight, but I'm tired.
What here say? Something that go on the bottom side. Alright? If you go look, my viewers, something that go on the bottom side. Yeah. They on the plantation with Val, my viewers, what you mean? Man, if you plant, if we not plant, we are go hungry. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, my viewers.
Yeah.
Powerful, everything I push up.
Yeah, man.
I'm
going to don't kick.
Yeah, I want some stick.
Yeah, man.
I like them one down here so have no stick.
No.
Some down here so have no stick.
No, you take you at the end. Young, come out, yeah, too.
Yeah, my viewers. Yeah, man, this one long out.
Yeah.
You have got itchy on the stick. Try it type on the stick, also. Yeah, man. Sometimes I have to lead it to the stick, you know? Yeah, man. Sometimes I have to lead it to the stick and plant it, you know?
Yeah, man.
Tight. Get a good piece of card and tight, itch it.
Yeah.
Once you do that, it's going to automatically run up on the stick.
Yeah, man.
Once the next piece of card.
Yeah, man.
Any card can do it, no, man. Yeah, man.
You a market it. A market it.
Oh,
Yam wine.
go use a marga string. I'm gonna look a marga string for use, huh?
Yeah, boy, can go on to a deal.
Go, so, man.
Yaki tea.
Yeah, man.
Buy your time hungry.
Can't hungry if you plant. True, man.
I'm big a man nothing.
I'm big a man, nothing, for real. For real, my viewers, I'm the interpreter, you know, so I will let you know what he's saying. Yeah. You don't have to thief and big a man, nothing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I beat and then.
Yeah, peas. Yeah, right, me see. Because see some here and them start to bear. See some here, my viewers, and them start to bear, so you can pick peas at any time, and some younger one here. Lately planted. See it here? Peas, red peas. Red peas. Going at the rice and peas. Yes, me people, I this will put in a rice and peas. Red peas, yeah? Yeah, around this side of the plantation is very cool. Yeah? It's very cool. As you can see how he plant his yam. And he go right around. And he go right up on that bump and he put a couple little bank up there. And he drop one right over there. And then he go back and he put some up there. Yeah. He's going and find some big strong man not doing nothing. You know what I mean? Not planting nothing at all. So if he can do that, he's going fine. Okay, Val, I'm going back to reach to my drive.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so remember we will link up sometime to come back on the plantation to look some yam stick, alright?
Yeah, man, you mean.
Yeah, man. Alright.
I mean, you don't sit there.
Eh?
You tomo I sit there. I mean,
What that?
tomo I sit in pan.
Oh, you want some more something to plant?
Yeah, man.
Like what?
Yeah, tomo you go stand yeah.
Oh, alright. Corn and yam?
Yeah.
Alright, now worry yourself. Me go sort out that here.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so me go see if me get back my drive. Alright, so little more here.
Yeah.
Alright, Val. Yeah, man.
Stand yeah.
Corn and yam.
Yeah.
Alright, Val. Now worry yourself, man. You get corn and yam here.
Yeah, man.
I'll sort that out for you. Yeah, man, for real. Yes. Eh? Down here, sir? Yeah, man, me see them, man. Me see them, man. Me see them nice, man. Yes, Val. I mean, my viewers, you must say, yeah, them one here come up too. Look at the background, yeah? Nice, beautiful. Alright, my viewers, I'm leaving the farm now. Heading back to a bush to go back down that gully. Yes, back to where I'm coming from. So, that was Val Plantation. I was there 2 weeks back helping him out planting some things. So as you can see, most of the things them grow, push out of the earth, ready to grow, you know what I mean? So it's all about we need to look some yam stick. So by next week now, I'm gonna make myself available with him. Go inside up there. Yeah. Or we go over there. Any one of the hills and valley. We're going to look some yam stick for Val. Alright. So my viewers and my subscribers, if you like what I'm doing, don't forget to like, share and to subscribe. Hit that notification bell to see when I'm uploading a next video. Alright. So don't forget, my name is Ever Slick. This is Jamaican Farmers Hut. Peace. One love.